guys, welcome to my channel, Glorese's Way. My name is Glorese, and this is pretty much a channel just based off of my way of dressing, my way of fashion, my way of beauty, my way of lifestyle, all of that jazz for you guys. So if you are excited about that, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. If you have been here before, I know it's only about 17 of you guys right now, but if you have been on this channel before, I did change my channel name. This channel name fits right with me and just like what I'm trying to get out there and show. So it's pretty much my way of doing things. And yeah, so let's get right into the video. So I am doing a SHEIN haul. A long time ago here on YouTube, I used to have a beauty channel before, and I remember I used to get like a lot of SHEIN sent to me, but that was like 6 years ago, about 5 or 6 years ago. But I have a new channel, and yeah, but I remember that they were like so good back then. My sister actually ended up buying some shoes, and I was like, where did you get those shoes from? And she told me SHEIN, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I forgot all about them. So I went to make a purchase. I didn't get any shoes in this haul, but I will be going back. I'm going to show you guys some really cute stuff from SHEIN. Most of it is clothes. I am decorating my room right now, so you guys will see a few room decor, but the majority of it is clothing. So let's get into the video. I'm super excited to show you guys what I got. Okay, so SHEIN comes with these little plastic bags like this. All of the clothes come in, which I actually really like. All right, so I got these relaxed kind of shorts. These are these green shorts. I will leave the name on the screen, but this is how they look. They kind of have like a little bit of those ridges in it. You guys are seeing this tried on right now. I just think these are so comfortable and perfect for summer. I want something that's not going to keep me too hot, but that's going to be cute and comfortable to wear, but also stylish as well. So I picked up these like olive green shorts right here. All right, guys, this is super freaking cute. So this is a romper floral. I love the actual color on here. I love that it's like has the overall navy blue color and then the pops of yellows and greens and pinks on it. It just makes it perfect for that spring, summer. Even though we're still indoors, I'm not, obviously nobody's kind of like really traveling, but I have faith that we are gonna get out soon, and I wanna be prepared. By the way, all this stuff is like super affordable, so it's like, why not? I got this in a size large actually. So hopefully it's not too big in the chest area, because I have like bigger bottom, but like smaller up here in this area. So hopefully the bust area is not too big on this romper. They get some really good reviews about their stuff being true to size, but I just wanted to be sure that my butt is covered. Next romper I have, I'm gonna go ahead and read it off my phone. It's the Crisscross Backless Plunge Neck Ditsy Floral Romper. It's so cute, you guys. This is how it's looking. You guys, these straps are so long, but they're supposed to like crisscross in the back. They're literally so long. I cannot even look how long this is. Like, come on. So these straps are super long, but I think this is so cute. This is gonna look so cute on. So you just tie it around the neck, I believe. You guys will see it tried on because I'm struggling right now. I will be putting some sort of cardigan sweater on it or something with some cute sandals. That's kind of like where I am seeing this working with me at. Yeah, so I will be putting something over it because I feel like if I put something over it, I can get away with it. I just think I'm too thick. And I got this one in a size medium because I feel like with these straps, I will be able to adjust this pretty well. Oh my gosh, like, come on. Okay, so these are the letter graphic drawstring waist shorts, and these were for $9.61. Look how cute these are. I thought these were so cute. They're gonna look so cute with some sneakers, throw on with a t-shirt. I got these in a size large, 8 to 10. Okay, next item that I have is another pair of those short wide band waist rib knit biker shorts. I just like those cute shorts, those cute little shorts for summer that are just like plain but stylish at the same time. So yeah, it has a little drawstring in here. The floral print drawstring cutout front tube jumpsuit. So look how cute this is. One-piece jumpsuit. So this is the jumpsuit, bottoms. This is cute. I feel like I can wear this, you know, and feel really cool and comfy. It's so light and airy, you guys, so you don't have to worry about like being too hot in the summertime. Like this will actually keep me pretty cool. I ended up getting this Faith t-shirt with a little sunflower on it. It just looks like this. I just thought this was appropriate for this time, especially everything literally that's going on right now. It's crazy out there. We all just need to fall to our knees and pray, have a little faith. People, come on. Yeah, so I just thought this was just one of those shirts to just remind myself to have faith and just keep going, think positive, and just look forward, okay? So I got one of these t-shirts. When it comes to summer, you just gonna wanna chill, relax, remain cute, but comfortable. So I am getting like a bunch of these rompers and jumpsuits. They are loose and light and free and airy, but cute, simple and cute, and you can just grab it out of your closet and just go. So this is another, that orange, that is so cute. So it looks just like this, and then it has a cutout in the back with the bow in the back. So that is gonna be so cute. Give me some stylish sandals, some earrings, and call it a day and look cute. Yes. Next is going to be the room decor that I got. These are in the package, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a quick clip of these in a frame. These are the abstract letter wall print. So I got 2 of them, and they say sweet dreams. And I'm going to hang this above my bed. One thing I was kind of confused about with ordering is if there's 2 in here, or do I need to order one that says sweet and one that says dreams? This one says sweet. Looks like that. You have to put them in your own frame. They just come with something that rolls it. Really actually good material. I'm kind of surprised that it doesn't feel like cheap or anything like that. If I show you guys an up close, see, right. A smile is the best makeup any girl can wear by Marilyn Monroe. So I'm going to put this where my makeup desk is going to be. I'm going to put that above my makeup. I thought about putting it in my bathroom, but I don't think I'm going to do that. I think I'll put it in my room, but I'm still deciding. I don't know exactly. I don't know why I thought I was going to actually get a pillow, but I got this pillowcase. I thought I was going to get a pillow. I don't know why. That says chill here. I just thought this was a super cute pillowcase. I thought it was going to be a pillow, but it's just a pillowcase. So this is the very last thing that I got from SHEIN, and it's like one of those dream catcher things. So it looks like this, and you just hang it up. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with this piece yet, or where I'm gonna put it. I know it should be somewhere by your bed. So this is actually called the Moon Tassel Dream Catcher Wall Hanging Decor. I just thought that was really cute to have. Dream catcher. I think that's super cute. A really nice. This was $12.49, and the material is actually really good, so I'm very impressed with SHEIN. So thank you guys so much for watching. That's going to be all for this video. Again, remember to thumbs up the video if you like the SHEIN haul, as well as please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing frequent videos. I'm going to get a schedule soon on when days I'm going to be posting, so make sure you guys subscribe and hit your notifications so you can be alerted when every video comes out, until I get a schedule, a set schedule, to where you guys can know for sure that videos are going to be posted. And yeah, thank you so much. I'm super excited. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.